Who says that SUVs need to be big, chunky and massive? Well, they can clearly have a muscle and still be on the diet. When the big shift happened in the US, clearly the giants were not prepared. But in India, they're trying to set a trend from very early on. From very early on, to be precise, is 2013. Well, this is Ford's muscular and yet very well toned SUV, the EcoSport. There is something about cars, so much so that you can almost relate your status symbol to it. The size shows how fat the paycheck is, and the engine is not powering the car as much as it is powering the boasting rights at the cocktail. But this is a different tale. If you've heard there's no replacement for displacement, then there really is. Well, Ford clearly appears to be on bucking the trend spree. Besides talking of a 4-meter compact SUV and ushering a revolution in the compact SUV domain, it is also talking about a 1-liter EcoBoost engine. Now this is petrol. Come to think of it, in an era of dieselization, talking of petrol can be criminal. But this is a 1-liter engine which would give out 20% less carbon emissions and also give you an amazing fuel economy of about 20 kmph. Apart from that, it will also be retailing in 1.5-liter diesel and 1.5-liter petrol options. When a giant from the country of hamburgers is talking about going lean, you got to listen the tale. And that's exactly what the crowd capturing the moment at the unveil did. This is going to be an easy animal to shelter. It will not rob you at fuel stations, they said. And some were happy to capture the sight of the SUV they really seemed familiar with. For me, it was an epic moment to see an automotive major consolidating itself, hear them talk of a paradigm shift, talk of environment, and see Henry Ford's era converging to give way to that of Will Ford. And after all, how many times do you see people wanting to open the hood and check the engine out, as if it was hero of the film called Ecolution?